Our respiratory system consists of trachea, bronchial tubes, etc., which are covered with mucus and cilia. When we breathe, mucus helps us trap harmful substances like germs, dust, etc., while cilia help us to expel these harmful substances out of our respiratory system. However, when we smoke, we inhale thousands of chemicals. These chemicals damage cilia, causing them to lose their ability to expel harmful substances. So these substances remain in our respiratory system. Hence, in order to remove these, our body makes us cough.